Lockbox Via Clearingworks. Hi, I am Samantha Q. Harper. I am here to help you navigate through Clearingworks and learn about its features. Once your Clearingworks account is created, you will receive the link to the interface, your username, and a temporary password. The temporary password required to log in is shared through an out-of-band method, such as phone call, SMS, or in person. Clicking on the URL will take you to the Clearingworks login page. Type in your username and the temporary password, and then click Login. Next, you will be asked to establish your password. Clearingworks uses multi-factor authentication, in which a verification code is sent to your email address. To avoid having to enter a verification code each time you log in, click on the Remember This Device option. The device will be remembered for 24 hours. After logging in, you will see the dashboard page. On this page, you can see the following elements: navigation, 2 rectangular sections, transactions total and outstanding exceptions, and a graph. The transactions total section shows the number of and the dollar value of payments processed the previous day. The outstanding exceptions section shows any outstanding exceptions in number form. Exceptions are payments that were not applied because they did not follow established processing rules. The graph shows the total number of transactions and the transaction totals processed for the last 5 days. The side navigation has 5 options: daily transactions, search, exceptions, reports, administration. Clicking the daily transactions link takes you to a page that lists all Lockbox payments processed the previous day. On the left is a transaction summary. On the right are details for each payment. Click on the View button to see the payment details. Click on the Download option to download the table data. The right of the page has details about how the payment was applied, and any document that was scanned along with the payment. A Note option at the bottom right of this section allows you to add a note about a transaction. The search link takes you to a page with 3 sections: search filters, query builder, columns to view. Search filters allows you to filter the results from the daily transactions section. The business unit drop-down under the filter allows you to search for a specific lockbox or to search across all lockboxes listed. Under additional filters, you can filter by payment type or channel. The Query Builder option allows you to write a query. The feature allows you to add or remove rows as needed. The Columns to View option allows you to select column names to be displayed in the search results. The Save Search option allows you to save searches. This allows you to run the same search on a recurring basis. All filtered search results are shown on the Daily Transactions page. The Exceptions link takes you to the Exception Management page, which lists the payments that could not be applied. To view the details, click on the Edit button. Upon clicking it, on the adjacent section, you can see the front and back of the payment and all the scanned documents associated with the payment. This section gives you the option to research and apply or reject that payment. Toward the end of the page, on the right side, there are 3 buttons. Reject. On clicking this button, the payment is not applied, and the check is returned to the merchant. Save. On clicking this button, the payment remains in the exception queue. Except, on clicking this button, the payment is applied and the check is processed. If you wish to split a payment, click the plus sign on the page. Please note that while splitting the payment, the total amount needs to be balanced. If it is not, you will see the fields turn red. A red field indicates that the total amount is incorrect. You will have to balance the check amount before proceeding. A Note options, the bottom right of this page, allows you to record details about an exception. The Reports link takes you to the Reports page. Clearingworks generates 7 standard daily reports. AR Posting Extract. You may choose to ingest this file in your accounting software or ERP. The file can also be delivered by SFTP or via an API. A copy of the report will remain on the portal. Detail Image Listing is a report of all the payments processed on a given date. Packing slip. This report lists unprocessed payments which will be mailed back to the merchants. Resolved exceptions. Is generated if any exceptions are resolved on a given day. It has the following details: decision made, rejected payments, name of decision maker and timestamp. Receivables summary shows the total amount of payments processed. Receivables detail lists in detail all the payments processed on a particular day. It also includes the total dollar amount of the payments. User access. This report lists all users with access to Clearingworks. Clicking the administration link takes you to a page where you will see 4 tabs: Users, Banners, Security, Depositors. Under the Users tab, you can add users to the system. To create a user, click on the button Create User and fill the form. To add a banner, click on the Add Banner button in the Banners tab. The Depositors feature is applicable to all clients, but is particularly useful if the merchant is depositing to multiple checking accounts. This self-service feature allows users to add or delete deposit accounts. To change your password, click on the Profile drop-down on top right of the page and select the Change Password option. You can log out of Clearingworks by clicking the Log Out option. And that's Lockbox by Checkalt. We hope you have enjoyed learning about Checkalt's paper bill pay solution for integrated receivables.